Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious croissant hot dogs, step by step. First, gather your simple ingredients. A package of 8 hot dogs, 1 can of refrigerated crescent roll dough, and optionally, some cheese slices. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Now let's prepare our hot dogs for wrapping. First, gently pat each hot dog dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a nice, crispy exterior when baked. If you're adding cheese, slice your favorite variety into thin strips, about 1/4 inch wide. Carefully make a small, lengthwise slit in each hot dog, then insert a cheese strip into the opening. This step adds a delightful, gooey surprise to every bite. It's time to wrap our hot dogs in that delicious crescent dough. Carefully unroll the can of refrigerated crescent dough and separate it into its 8 pre-cut triangles. Take one prepared hot dog and place it at the wide end of a dough triangle. Begin rolling the dough tightly around the hot dog, working your way towards the narrow tip. This creates that classic croissant shape and ensures the hot dog is fully encased. Almost ready to enjoy your homemade treats. Place the wrapped hot dogs onto your prepared baking sheet. Bake them in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crescent dough turns a beautiful golden brown and is puffed up. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes. Serve these warm, delightful croissant hot dogs with your favorite dipping sauces, like ketchup or mustard, for a perfect snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.